Now for this question, we can see that we have a division sign. And what the division sign means is basically flip the second fraction and multiply. So we're going to write that just so it's a little bit easier to comprehend. See, and now multiplied by 2b negative 2w to the negative 2 all over negative 4y c to the fifth w to the negative 3. So now, as we can see, multiplying means we can bring these two fractions together as one. So equals 7b squared w cubed y 2b to the negative 2 w to the negative 2 all over 4cd squared times negative 4y c to the fifth w to the negative third. So now we do what we did before. We look for the numbers. We look for any common terms, which is b's. And we will look for any others, which happens to be w's. And we will come back for the rest of the terms later. Actually, there. So if we combine, so now it's 7 times 2 over 4 times negative 4 for all the numbers. And now our b's, so we have b to the 2 minus 2, which will end up canceling out to being b to the 0, which will equal 1. We also have w to the 3 minus 2, but since we have a w on the bottom, we have to bring it up. So we have to subtract a negative 3, which will in turn make it a positive 3. And now we can look at the y's. We have a y to the 1, and since we're bringing up the y to the 1 on the bottom, we subtract the 1. And then since we haven't done anything with the c's or the d's, we rewrite them as is. So 7 times 2 is 14. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. 14 over 16. So now 2 minus 2 equals 0. So b to the 0 will equal 1. W to the 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 3 is 4, and y, 0. So this whole term will equal to 1, same as that will equal to 1. All over your c d squared c to the fifth. And now, can we reduce our 14/16? Yes, we can. If we divide them both by 2, we get negative 7 over 8 times w to the fourth. And now it's a good time to combine your two c's. So what would you do? You'd go c to the 1 plus 5 times d squared. And therefore, our final answer will equal negative 7/8 w to the fourth over c to the sixth d squared.